Welcome to the video about updating Proxmox VE. In this video, I'll show you what to consider when updating Proxmox VE and how easy it is. Clicking the Updates tab, you can check if there are any updates for the respective Proxmox VE host. It's important that the repositories are correctly configured and activated. Before starting the update, the Proxmox host workload should be migrated to other hosts, and the host should then be put into maintenance mode. Maintenance mode prevents workloads from being started unintentionally on the host. The migration can be performed either using bulk migration or automatically when putting the host in maintenance mode. For this to work automatically, all VMs and containers must be configured for high availability here in this part. Putting the host into maintenance mode must be executed via the command line interface, CLI, using a command HA manager, CRM command, node maintenance, enable, and then the node name. In my case, is it the PV1-CN1. Once all workload have been migrated and the blue wrench icon is displayed on the host is in maintenance mode and ready for the update. Clicking the upgrade button will execute the update. A shell window will open, displaying the progress of each update. After all updates are complete, a message may appear in the shell window indicating that a reboot is required. This is always necessary, for example, if changes have been made to the kernel. If a reboot is required, it should be performed immediately. This can be done using the reboot button or by typing the command reboot in the shell window. If the update is successful and the host has been rebooted if necessary, maintenance mode can be disabled and the workloads migrated back. Disabling maintenance mode must again be done via the command line interface, CLI. The command is HA manager CRM command maintenance disable and node name. If the workloads are configured in HA, they will be automatically migrated back. Other ways, they must be migrated individually using the migrate function or in batches using the bulk migration function. That was the easy way to update a Proxmox VE host. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.